Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is our community. So in this chapter we will study about community, and we had different places in the neighborhood, place of worship, keeping the neighborhood clean. These all are the topics that I am going to tell you in this chapter. So warm up, read the given clues and complete the crossword puzzles. So now let's move to our topic. What is neighborhood? It is the place where you live, and the people, those who are living near you, are your neighbors. So the area around our house where those people live is our in their houses is called neighborhood. We should be polite. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा polite रहना चाहिए, helpful रहना चाहिए अपने neighbors के. Now places in our neighborhood. We have different places. आपने देखा होगा आपके घर के आसपास आपको मार्केट, पोस्ट ऑफिस, बैंक, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल्स, these all are the places that are seen there. There is a market near every neighborhood. There are many shops in the market. We buy things of daily use from the market, and you can see it is the busiest place. और सबसे noise भी रहता है because there are many people that comes to the market and buy different things over here. If we talk about bank, it is another essential service. We can keep our money, jewelry safe in the bank, and we can take them to whenever we need them. जब आपको need हो तब आप उसको ले सकते हैं. And nowadays we have ATMs, that is automatic teller machine, from where you can take out money whenever you need it. If we talk about clinic or hospital, it's a place where in our neighborhood where people are unwell or sick and they get treatment from the hospital, and doctor examines the patient और वो treatment देते हैं patients को. If we talk about police station, it is the place in a neighborhood where you go, and policemen, they have duty to maintain law and order and guard our home and save us from thieves, right? So we have post office, from where you can buy postal stamps, envelope and postcard. We can send money order and parcel through the post office. If we talk about park, it's a place where tree, plant swings and different things like green grass can be seen there. Many children go to park to play, and the elders do exercise, jog and walk with their friends. If we talk about places of worship, like we have temple where Hindus goes. देखो temple वो place होती है जहाँ पे Hindus जाते हैं, worship करते हैं. Idols of different god and goddesses worship. Bhagavad Gita is their holy book. Next we have Christian जो worship करते हैं church में. They worship Lord Jesus Christ. उनकी holy book कौन सी होती है? Bible होती है. Right children? Then we have Muslims. Where do Muslims go? They go to mosque to pray. They offer namaz for 5 times a day, and their holy book is Quran. Sikh, वो कहाँ वर्शिप करते हैं? गुरुद्वाराज में. They pray to their guru and their holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Now keeping the neighborhood clean, it's our duty. वो हमारी ड्यूटी है कि हम अपने neighborhood को clean रखेंगे. We must keep our neighborhood clean by disposing of garbage and garbage bin and not littering the streets. We should always make it green by planting tree. We must be friendly with our neighbors and help with them in times of need. जब उनको need हो तब हम उनकी क्या करेंगे? Help करेंगे. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.